Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today we again return back to discussion of the euro currency because our New Zealand dollar setup has been completed. At least Kiwi has hit the minor target that we have specified and we have expected for a couple of weeks. So as you see on the charts of the New Zealand dollar market yesterday on the central bank decision on the cutting rate for the 25 points, market has washed out the former tops. So by this action, market has completed as the stop grabber that we have on the weekly chart is on the daily chart. So the minimum target that we have talked about has been hit in our bet on the possible opposite direction, opposite action if New Zealand Central Bank will cut rate only for the 25 points have been confirmed. Because this happens every time when the market expects with a high probability some action from the central bank rate cutting. The market could definitely will show the opposite direction if this expectation will be executed. Just because all this rate cut already has been priced in, and when the event has happened, traders starting to take profit, and the market turns in opposite direction. The only reason, the only way how New Zealand dollar could fall more, it could happen only if New Zealand Bank of the New Zealand has cut rate for 50 points or even greater. So only in this case we could see the downward action, but this hasn't happened. So it doesn't mean that the Kiwi will stop and will not have any chances to continue move higher, but this is a bit more extended view, and hardly it will be useful for us within the couple of sessions till the end of the week. So maybe we will return back to the Kiwi later, but currently market needs to just to make the decision what to do next, since the event that has been expected already has happened, and right now market probably will take some relief as major targets has been hit on the current week. So we will see. But our setup that is based on the weekly grabber has been completed. Now we will return back on the daily chart of the euro currency because here we have another one, an interesting setup that hasn't been completed yet. So the idea, the overall background of our setup, we have talked about it a couple of days ago. It stands with a bit of rational action here, not quite typical for the normal bearish market. So this ABCD down is definitely bearish because this drop to the downside based on the Brexit is very strong. It's almost vertical, and normal development after such sort of the drops is the downward continuation. Since momentum is strong, some kind of the retracement, and then market should continue move lower to the 1618 target. But here we see the different action. As retracement has been completed, market has completed the ABCD retracement already after this drop, and it even has started this downward action, but it suddenly has been stopped, and market has turned up again. So this action is not really typical. As the downward continuation, market here should stand in an expansion mode, but this interruption, it's not stands in a row with the normal market mechanics, how the swings should develop. That's why we start to think that this could become the very important moment in the short-term analysis, short-term view on the euro currency, because this action could mean that euro tends, or at least make the challenge to break the short-term tendency and will turn situation to the opposite direction. Now we're talking only on the technical issues. So also as a result, we've got here also the bullish grabber. That bullish grabber suggests the taking out of this top, so market should continue move high. So yes, the market has shown very nice upward action. Now it stands at some retracement. Potentially we could expect the appearing of the butterfly here. So for example, it could become the left wing, market could start to form the right wing. The destinations will be, first is around 113 area, next is 113.50 or 1618 extension of this pattern. Okay, but here the most important thing will be is the moving on the upper half of this range. So now let's take a look. Market stands, this is the approximately the 50% of this nasty candle. So market mostly stands in the lower half of this consolidation, skipping the bearish, holding the bearish sentiment. But as soon as market will start move up and break through the 50% area of this nasty candle, it will move to the upper body, and in this case it should continue to the next target. That will be at the top of this nasty candle. So as we said, ultimately bullish scenario suggests that if market will take it out of this top and will break out, it will raise this Brexit candle, and it will have the chance to move for the same distance as the length of the candle to the upside. So it will be approximately 118 area. So this is a bit extended view, is a bit maybe optimistic for the bulls, but here we see the chain of some events that could happen. So if market will take it out of this top by the grabber, it will continue to move higher to some targets of this butterfly. If it will happen, market will move above, as I said, middle of this range, and will turn in the upper part of this middle of this range. And in this case, it definitely will continue to the next target is the border of this range. It also will be above the 50% resistance of this drop. So take a look, this whole drop down. Here will be also the 50% resistance of this. This is very favorable level for the euro currency. That's why this is, as you can see, very promising scenario, and it's really worth of our attention, and we will continue to watch over it. So this scenario will fail only if market will drop below these lows and continue move lower. In this case, this will be market will erase this grabber, and if we will get some thrusting action here, well, this could reestablish the downward action. We will, in this case, this will cancel the short-term possible reversal. But right now, this potential is still valid because the grabber that has been formed also valid. So on the hourly chart, we will be watching for its current retracement down. So we'll try to estimate where market could stop and where it could turn to the upward action again. So we currently suggest this bullish scenario still exists. So what do we have? On the way up, yes, we have said that market probably should reach some targets around 50% resistance, and this has happened. Now market is turning down as the retracement has started. Here market has formed some kind of the double top pattern. So you can see first top, second top, minor washing rings of this first top. It's very typical for the double top, and now it's standing in a downward action. So the target of the double top usually stands at the distance equals to the top itself. From the neckline to the top, counted in direction breakout, you will get approximately the ABCD 2 times extension, 200%. So here we have this 111.20 approximately. Here we have the confluence 111.30.35. So that's an area where we will be watching for possible reversal to the upside. So double top target will be completed. Also, guys, this will be 50% level. As we know, your currency likes the 50% levels. 1618 extension of this A, B, C top stands precisely the confluence. So this will be some sort of the confluence and agreement. But somehow I think that probably market will try to reach the 200% extension, because currently downward action seems rather strong, fast. Here you can see the market almost has hit 1618. So today we will be watching for this area, and as soon as market will touch it, we will see. Maybe market will form some kind of the reversal patterns here. Maybe the butterfly will be formed or something. But because this is the potential area where market could turn up again and put the foundation, put the bottom for right wing of the butterfly that could be formed on the daily chart. Also, guys, here you could recognize some kind of the skewed, maybe head and shoulders pattern or something of that sort is forming. Because as you can see here, we have the reversal swing up after this drop. upward reversal swing, and usually after reversal swing market forms some deeper retracement. That's why probably the 50% levels, 111.20 is the area that we will be watching for. So that being said, on the euro currency we continue to monitor the short-term bullish reversal. That is really could be really potentially very attractive. And today, tomorrow we will be watching what will happen around this area between 111.20 and 111.35 area. So because this market is really bullish and really has intention to turn up, this probably market should stop somewhere in this area, stop dropping and turn to the upside again. So we will check this in our daily videos.